Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Ultra X Hugger here with me for a quick review. This is a pretty alright knife. It's pretty inexpensive. It's going to be around $20–30 maximum. It's made in China by Ultra X, and it's an overall decent knife. 8.25 inches long when open, 4.7 inch long handle, G10 scales. I mean, overall, it's not too bad for the price you gotta pay. It's okay, like standoff construction. It's a liner lock. It's the action. It's okay. I mean, it's not too bad, honestly. The steel is a 440C, 3.6 inches long blade. It has a flat grind and some nice wedge, I have to say. I mean, the overall design, come on, for $25, $30, it's okay. It's not that bad. Weighs in at 5.4 ounces. Fit and finish is also okay. I mean, it's not the best. There's some imperfections, of course. It's a cheap one, but overall, it's a very decent overall budget knife. But if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.